Hello everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to remove virus from your device Vivo V25 Pro. So if you want to remove virus from your device, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to clean or remove virus from your device Vivo V25 Pro.